Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can easily jailbreak iOS 15.8.7 or higher using Palen1x or Palen1x, which requires a USB flash drive. Any USB flash drive will work. The method shown in this video is completely free and legit, and this method will work on all of your devices including iPhone 6s, iPhone 7, iPhone SE and their plus versions of course, and any iPad which supports this version. After a successful jailbreak, we will also install TrollStore. Also, if in the future a new version releases beyond iOS 15.8.7, I will test it and then mention it in the title, description, thumbnail so that you can see which version exactly works with this method. I will also make sure that after a successful jailbreak, you are able to run your tweaks without issues. The exact same method can be used to jailbreak iOS 16's any version, iOS 18's any version on your supported devices such as your iPad 7 or on iOS 16 on iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone 10. I will mention exactly that in the description for your ease. Before you begin, I highly recommend that you temporarily disable Defender so that the process goes on smoothly. Now to begin, simply head to the official GitHub page for Palen1x. Palen1x is completely free and we want to get an ISO file for it so that we can use it for our USB flash drive to boot. So you will see under releases we have a latest release, and from there simply get this file x86_64. Alright, as you can see I already got the ISO file here. Now to flash it onto your USB flash drive, you will need Rufus. Rufus is also completely free. You can easily get it from its official website. Scroll down and you can get it from here. And as you can see, I already also got Rufus. Next, simply plug in a USB flash drive to your computer and then simply open Rufus. Your USB flash drive should show up here. Now simply drag and drop the ISO file onto Rufus. You can leave everything as is. Also, make sure you back up all data from this USB flash drive to your computer, as if you use this method, all data will be lost from the USB flash drive, and then hit start. Make sure you write in DD mode and then hit OK. Then hit OK again and wait for the process to finish. Alright, our USB flash drive is now ready. You can close out of it and then restart the computer. After you restart, simply hit the F12 key for Dell, and if you use an HP PC, you can hit F9 and you will land in the boot device menu. On some computers, the newer ones, we have secure boot. You will have to turn that off. Once you are in the boot device menu, you will see your USB flash drive here. Now at this point, simply connect your iPhone via USB to your computer and then select the USB device. Let it load and you will see the Palen1x menu or Palen1x menu right here. Also on your device, you must trust this computer or this process will not work. So when you see this message, hit on trust and then simply hit enter. You will see that the default mode is rootless. You can leave it here. All tweaks will work. Almost all the tweaks have adopted the rootless mode and it is very easy to use also. If you still want to use rootful, you can also switch and then select rootful from here. Also, if you want verbose, you can go to options and then select verbose from here. Press enter. You can see now we have two arguments, -L and -V. Then hit start. You'll see that your device will now go into recovery mode. Now press enter and simply follow the instructions. Keep holding volume down and side button and then keep holding volume down and leave the side button. The jailbreak process will start. Alright, if you are stuck here on booting Pangu OS on your device and on your computer, simply unplug your device and replug it and the process should continue. Alright, Now we will wait for the device to boot to the home screen. Alright, we are at the home screen now, and you will see the Palen1x loader right here in a few seconds. Now we'll follow the rest of the process on device. You can simply press enter to quit, then go to exit, then from there you can hit reboot. Just remove the USB flash drive at this moment and your computer should now load Windows. First of all, I want to show you the version of this device so that you can see that it is the same device. So general, about, you can see the device is indeed on iOS 15.8.7. all right, and it's an iPhone 7. You can see we have the Palen1x loader right here. Simply open it. Before you open it, make sure Wi-Fi is connected, and then from there select a package manager. I will go with Celio and then hit install Celio. Now simply select a passcode for sudo. I recommend using alphabets, and then hit set passcode and wait for the process to finish. During this process, make sure you do not close the app. Once the process is complete, you will see Celio on your home screen. Now you can open it. Allow. You can see new sources, packages, everything works. If you go to sources and refresh, you can simply swipe down. Alright, now you will see that under packages we have a lot of updates. Select it and then hit upgrade all. Confirm. Alright, it will automatically close. You can reopen it. New sources, packages, everything is now updated. You can see the version. It's an iPhone 7 running iOS 15.8.7. Now to install your tweaks, go to sources and go to the allocate repo and go to all categories and install allocate from here. Get, leave it queued, then go to search and search for preference loader and install it as well. Hit on get. You'll see these two packages queued. Hit on confirm. Don't worry, your device will not reboot. It will do a user space reboot. Alright, when you are back, your device is now prepared to install your tweaks. Now you can open Celio. Now let's test a tweak. I will go to search and search for cylinder reborn. It is completely free. We will get it. Confirm. Restart Spring Boot. Alright, once you're back in, you can see the tweak is working perfectly fine, no issues. Also, if you go to settings, scroll down, you can see we have cylinder reborn, which means the preference loader is working perfectly fine. Last but not the least, installing TrollStore. Open Celio, then search for Troll, and you will see TrollStore helper here. Simply select it. You can see it is available from the Hawaii repo, which is added by default. Hit on get, queued and confirm to install this. Alright, now hit on done, go back and you will see TrollStore helper here on your home screen. Open it, then hit install TrollStore. Alright, go in and you will see TrollStore right here. It will automatically install LDID for you. Now you can go to settings. You can see it works perfectly fine. Now you can install a persistence helper. I will go with tips. Alright, the persistence helper is now installed. The good thing is that on iOS 15.8.7 also, if you reboot your device or remove the jailbreak, TrollStore will keep on working. Before I reboot the device and demo it to you, I want to show you that if you want to remove the jailbreak and get back to stock, you can open the Palen1x loader, go to settings, and then you can scroll down to restore system and then hit restore system. Your device will reboot. Alright, once you're back on, go in and you can see the jailbreak is now completely removed, but the TrollStore will keep on working. If I open the tips app, it is the persistence helper, and if I open TrollStore, it works fine without any problem. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself. Now, after the jailbreak process is finished and you want to reuse this USB flash drive on your Windows PC, it is very easy to prepare. You will use disk part and then you will simply follow these commands. So first of all, open CMD and type disk part. Now when you are in disk part, simply type list disk and it will list all the hard drives or USB flash drive attached to this computer. Now simply carefully select the USB flash drive. For me, I have disk 0, the SSD, we have disk 1 hard disk, and we have disk 3 our USB, which is about 16 GB in size. You can see it right here. Now type select disk 3, press enter. You see the disk 3 is now the selected disk. Now type clean and press enter. Now type create partition primary, press enter. Now type format fs is equal to, you can use FAT32 or NTFS, it's your choice. So I will use NTFS because this disk is larger in size, and then type quick, press enter. Alright, now you can simply assign a letter to the drive, type assign, and now when you open this PC, you can see we have the USB flash drive right here, which is now completely usable under Windows. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.